Hi guys, this is Lily. Thank you as always for joining me. This is Lily, and I just want to wake up this morning. Well, I want to share with you a beautiful morning. Today, I think it's the 20th, if I'm correct, 20th of the 21st. I haven't checked the date. I'm terrible, aren't I? I'm so sorry. But anyway, of June. So today is a very important day for my daughter. She's just come over from Perth to a wonderful conference they have for their company. So I think 6 of them will be representing her company, and she's looking really forward to it. So I was here with her last night and just giving her moral support, just being here as a mom. And I'm really, what's the word? Chuffed, not chuffed. I'm really grateful. I'm thankful that she is an amazing daughter. She is absolutely amazing, and my son as well, of course. But to land this beautiful opportunity is a privilege. So she's going to take herself and to share her story that will hopefully, I think it will support people that that are going through, if they're going through anything in life, that anything is possible. So we know that that's a saying for us too, that anything is possible in God. Anything is possible when you are with God and following him. So my saying today is anything is possible. So I'm here at Mercure. I'm here in Sydney, actually, still here in Sydney. I've been here since last month, my journey here, and for my granddaughter. So she's absolutely amazing, gorgeous, lovely, and I just can't get enough of my first grandchild, of course, with my son and his beautiful wife, Michelle. And so I'm just so thankful that I also get to be here while my daughter is here, because I won't be able to go back to Perth. I'm going to go back to Auckland next week, but I do look forward to going to Perth this year, end of the year. And I'm so thankful that I live this kind of life, and I'm taking the moment just to do the things I want to do. And I'm thankful for the people, my families and friends, and just families that have been part of this journey with me. Like my sister, who picked me up, Jenny, she picked me up from the Gold Coast. That was starting of my journey. I flew into the Gold Coast because I could have flown straight into Sydney, but we wanted to make that that journey down to a road trip. We wanted to make a road trip down. So here we thought, oh, it'd be lovely just to just to show, or just to see some of how beautiful Australia is. So we drove down from the Gold Coast and stopped off in Macquarie. We stopped off in Yamba for lunch, Macquarie for the night. It's a beautiful place. It's another beautiful place you can venture out to as well. And then on our way in, we stopped off, we spent the night at Macquarie and had lunch in Newcastle. Beautiful place as well, Newcastle. And we had to drive through Coffs Harbour because it was raining, so there was no point stopping to see the place then. So anyway, this is still part of my journey. It's nearly coming to an end, which will be next week when I fly back to Auckland. So the beginning started when I came over on the 6th of May last month, and I arrived here in Sydney. Beautiful place, another beautiful place in Australia that I know people will say, oh, it's terrible, it's a lot of cars. I was one of those people. And I just think that you should take the opportunity to just see a place for yourself, and then you can decide, what you think. But I think everywhere we go, it's how we tell the story, and what kind of positive things can we share about it. So my stay in Sydney has been absolutely wonderful. It's one of the best places you can actually visit in Australia as well. There's just so much to see, and I don't think I've had enough time to even see everything here. So I will be coming back again to see a bit more of Sydney, And the River Lights, as I was saying in my other videos, is a must. You must come in June to see the Vivid Festival. It's so amazing. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. And anyway, so this is just me sharing with you part of this journey, and it all comes down to my granddaughter arriving this month actually. So we're on June now, sorry, last May, and on the 14th, and now my daughter's going to be speaking in front of like thousands, like around about, a lot of people, sharing her story, and I can't wait. I'll just be, I wasn't able to go in, but my son, I'm glad that she was able to get him into the conference. A conference, I guess, is, it's a lot of money to go in there. But anyway, thank you again, guys, for joining me on my next video. I just want to put it out there that anything and everything is possible as long as you just do it. This is what I've learned. Just go and do it. Don't wait for the right time, because there never is a right time. Just do it. Whenever you feel like doing something, just go out and do it. And somehow, when you do it, the universe comes to you and it helps you financially, and it just brings you such positive people in front of you as well on your journey, and the people you meet, and families you have never seen, and friends, and it's just what else can I say? I think it's absolutely amazing, our life, and we just got to live every day, make the most of every day that we have, and make it count. Make every day count, make it beautiful, make it bright, and make it happy. So thank you again, guys. Subscribe to my videos if you want to see more. We'll catch you again on my next video, and this is Lily. Bye for now. Thank you, thank you, thank you.